Good morning, everybody. We had a fabulous weekend. By the time today ends, though, you should have the first 3 weeks of assignments done. You're going to respond to a question today, and you're going to help me choose the next topic, what next thing we want to learn about. But first, questions of identity. Who am I? Why am I doing this? Why am I doing this way? Learning targets and success criteria. We're going to get to know one another, be good listeners, stay focused on the Google Meets, limit distractions on the Chromebook and at home. You could connect with the text, draw elements from the text to connect to your own life, infer what the text is saying, using evidence from the text to support your answer. And then we're going to help choose the next topic. And this is the most important thing for me today. I want to get more engagement out of you guys. I want to think about what you want to learn. I want to think about what lessons will help you gain more skills. And I want to think about what will make you more engaged. So today, classwork. Your first thing today is, in 1 to 2 paragraphs, I want to explain what short story did you connect more with out of All Summer a Day and Thank You Man. What made you think about your own life more? What did you like and dislike about it? Use the short story as evidence, okay? And that is the first thing I will have you do today. I'm going to be posting another video explaining the question as well, okay?